Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I still am looking at this as a WXY. I still think this is going to be an ABC of wave W, which I think is going to eventually end up going up and taking out these highs to complete the three waves of W, three waves of X, and three waves of wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, this looks like the end of a crescent. I think this right here is a 1. I think this right here is a 2. I am still looking at this as a wave 3, and I still think there is a very good likelihood it's eventually going to go up, make that wave 3, 4, and wave 5. Obviously not all in one straight line like that. There's going to be plenty of pullbacks along the way, but to me, it looks like an uptrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C of wave Y. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it definitely did make 1, 2, 3 waves up, and it definitely did turn back down. But I do think this move down is likely to be a crescent to this move up. I think this is likely to make a higher low, and I think this is likely to be a bottom, wave 2, wave 1, and I feel like we are very likely already in that wave 3. So keeping that in mind also, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move right here. I am definitely still looking at this as possibly a crescent. I still think this is possibly an A. I still think this is three ways up B. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, if we do get a nice break and hold above structure at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts and I would definitely start looking for longs again. Now there is definitely a bearish outlook that we have to keep in mind, which is this is possibly a wave C, and if that is a wave C, then it will make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and just keep on trending down, which is why I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long until I see that double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape at a fib level with a break of structure. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of looks like impulsive up, three waves down, so maybe we're in an ABC right now, ABC of 4, then go down for a wave 5. Then this would be a 1, a 2, and a 3. Then if we get a Fibonacci bounce with a nice break and hold above structure, that is exactly what I would be looking for to confirm that we had the end of a crescent, and that's what would turn me back into a buyer for the continuation of the uptrend. But I personally would have to see this picture right here, because if I do not see that, there's definitely a bearish scenario that this is a wave C. And if that is a wave C, then this potentially could just keep on going down, which is why we would need to see that 3, 4, 5 shape at a fib level with a break of structure to turn back into a bullish buyer at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.